Good morning, friends. Myself Akbar Hussain Kharusia, and today I will take lecture on foundation engineering. And topic is how to calculate load carrying capacity of pile group. Okay, let's start it. The ultimate load carrying capacity of pile group is not necessary equal to sum of individual load capacity of the pile in the group. There are some factors tends to provide in the group a capacity greater than the sum of capacity of the individual pile. The load carrying capacity of equivalent large pipe is obtained by determining the skin friction resistance around the embedment perimeter. And generally, the load carrying capacity of pile is taken of smaller of the following. Here two figures are shown. Then one is single pile, and here we can see that pile group, and the upper layer is pile cap. There is pile cap is provided in pile group. These are the group action of pile and pressure bulb. In single pile there are small pressure bulb, while in pile group there are huge pressure bulb. The load carrying capacity of pile group is taken as the smaller of the following. First one, the sum of load carrying capacity of individual pile, and second one, load carrying capacity of single large equivalent pile. First one is related to single pile and second one is related to pile group. Okay. Now there are two methods, and there are two types: pile group in sand and pile group in cohesive soil. In pile group in sand there are one particular equation. Here one equation, Qg is equal to N into Qu, where Qg is equal to load carrying capacity of pile group, N is equal to number of pile group in sand, Qu is equal to N bearing capacity of individual pile. These are the equation for pile group in sand. And there are other equation, pile group in cohesive soil, where there are two methods of pile group in sand. First one is block failure and second one is individual pile failure. But remember that for block failure or other individual failure, the limiting value of spacing of pile group for which the load carrying capacity of the pile group obtained from the two criteria, block failure and individual pile failure, are equally is usually considerable to be 3b. It means the diameter of pile is considerable 3 times b, and the b is the diameter of the pile. Okay, so first one, block failure, Qgu is equal to Qp into Ag plus C into Pg into D, where Ag is equal to, let's in zoom, Ag is equal to bearing capacity of pile group, Pg is equal to perimeter of the group, D is the length of pile, Nc is equal to Q, C is equal to cohesion of soil, and alpha is equal to adhesion factor. And not, remember that for block failure alpha is not considered. Okay, this one is block failure, and second one is individual pile failure. Here the equation, Qu is equal to Cnc into Ap plus alpha into C into P into D. Here the theory. Let's see example about pile group failure for individual pile capacity and block failure capacity. Here the example. Let's start it. And the question is, a group of 9 piles 9 meter long is used as the foundation of column. Here given are 9 piles and 9 meter, they are 9 meter longs. Okay, the pile are 30 centimeter in diameter. The diameter is already given in the question. The diameter is 30 centimeter, while the center to center spacing is 90 centimeter. The subsoil consists of clay with unconfined compressive strength. Here unconfined compressive strength is given. It means Qu is equal to given. Estimate safe load and take factor of safety 3. It means we have to calculate safe load, and factor of safety is given already is equal to 3. So first of all, C is equal to Qu by 2. Qu is equal to given, Qu is here, Qu unconfined compressive strength 170 divided by 2, it means 85 kilonewton per meter square. As per IS 2911 part 1 section 1 2010, NC value is taken as 9, and we have assumed the adhesion factor. Adhesion factor means alpha is equal to take 0.55. First one, we have to calculate block failure. Here the 9 piles are given in the example, and 9 piles are 9 meter long. to calculate what is the B. B means what is the width of the pile. So there is there are 9 piles. Okay, the diameter of pile is 0.3 meter. Here shown diameter 0.3 meter. Spacing is 0.9 meter. 90 centimeter is given. So 0.9 meter. So the calculation of B is equal to, there is equation for B, 2S plus D. 2 into S is equal to given, center to center spacing 0.9 meter, and D is equal to diameter is already given 0.3 meter. So the calculation B is equal to 2S plus D. 2 into 0.9 plus 0.3 is equal to 2.1 meter. Okay. Now we calculate block failure. So block failure equation is QGU is equal to QP into AG plus C into PG into D. Okay. AG is equal to area of block, PG is equal to perimeter of group, QP is equal to C and C, PG is equal to 4 times B, and B is equal to, already we calculate, AG is equal to area of group, B into B, and B is equal to, what is B? 2.1 meter. So area is 2.1 meter by 2.1 meter square. Put this value in equation, so we can get the QGU value 9799.65 kilonewton. Okay, so the this calculation is done by block failure. Okay, now we are consider individual pile failure. So equation for individual pile failure is equal to QU is equal to QP into AP plus alpha into C into P into D. QP is equal to given 85 into 9 into AP is equal to, what is the meaning of AP? AP is equal to area of pile. The circular pile is given, so the area of pile is equal to pi by 4 into D square. Pi by 4 into D square. D is equal to given 0.3 meter square. And alpha is equal to given 0.55. C is equal to given 85. P, perimeter of pile is equal to pi into D. Pi into D. D is already given 0.3 into D is equal to, already given 9 meter long pile. So put this value and we will get individual pile failure QU is equal to 450 into 63 kilonewton. Okay. Let's for pile group. This one is for particular one pile, but we have to given 9 pile. So for pile group QU is equal to N into QU. 9 pile is given. Particular one pile capacity is 450.63 kilonewton. So QGU is equal to N into QU. 9 piles are given, 450 into 63, one particular pile capacity. So the QGU is equal to 4055.67 kilonewton. Okay. But we have to calculate the ultimate load. We have to calculate safe load on the pile. So the safe load, how can we calculate safe load? As the ultimate load for individual pile is less than, it will govern the design. So we can calculate safe load is equal to, safe load on the pile group is Q allowable. Allowable means it's allowed to particular transfer the load into pile group. It means safe load one type. So safe load is equal to Q allowable is equal to 4055.67 kilonewton divided by factor of safety. So the factor of safety is given 3. So Q allowable is equal to 4055.67 divided by 3 is equal to 135.81 kilonewton. Your answer is 1351.89 kilonewton. Safe load on the pile group. This is how you can calculate block failure and individual pile failure. So let's I repeat, we have given 9 piles in 9 meter long, 30 centimeter diameter, and center to center spacing is 90 centimeter. We have to the subsoil consists of clay and UCS is given. So first of all, C is equal to QU by 2, 170 divided by 2 is equal to 85 kilonewton per meter square. As per IS 29911, take NC value 9 and assume adhesion factor alpha is equal to 0.55. For block failure, remember the everything given in the figure. There are 9 pile, we have to put 9 pile. Okay, the spacing here given 0.9 meter. Diameter is already given, D is equal to 0.3 meter. So we can calculate B, 2S plus D. 2 into 0.9 plus 0.3 is equal to 2.1 meter. and this is the equation for block failure. QGU is equal to QP into AG plus C into PG into D. QP is equal to CNC, AG area of group is equal to B into B meter square. So 2.1 into 2.1 meter square. And PG is equal to perimeter of group is equal to 4 into B. So this value is put in the equation and we will get the value of block failure. What is the block failure capacity of pile group? So this is the block failure capacity of pile group, 9799.65 kilonewton. Second one, individual pile failure. QU is equal to QP into AP plus alpha into C into P into D. The equation is given, the value is also given. But remember, AP is equal to area of pile. So what is the area of pile? This is circular pile. So area of pile is equal to pi by 4 into D square. Pi by 4 into 0.3, diameter D is equal to given 0.3 into D. And P is equal to perimeter of pile. So the perimeter is given pi into D. Pi into D is equal to 0.3 meter. So we can get the individual pile failure 455 and 63 kilonewton. But remember that this is for particular one pile. For pile group, we have to multiply its with its pile. So total 9 pile are given and particular one pile capacity is 450.63 kilonewton. So we can get GU is equal to 4055.67 kilonewton. And we have to calculate safe load. The safe load is equal to GU divided by factor of safety. So the pile group load is 4055.67 divided by factor of safety 3. So we can get the safe load on the pile 135.89 kilonewton. Okay. Thank you.